In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join streamers and YouTubers on Roblox. If you've ever watched a creator live and wished you could hop into the same game, this guide will walk you through the most reliable ways to do it, clearly and safely. First, the simplest option is to join directly through their Roblox profile. Open Roblox on the web or in the app, use the search bar to look up the creator's exact username, then open their profile. When their joins are set to public and they're currently in a public server, you'll see a join game button on their profile. Click it, and Roblox will connect you to their server. If you don't see the button, their joins might be off, the server could be full, or they might be in a private or VIP server. In that case, wait a bit and refresh their profile while they're live. Another common path is to use live stream links. Many creators share clickable links to the exact game server, VIP servers, or private server invites while they're streaming. Look for these in the YouTube live chat, the stream description, their Discord server channels, or even in a TikTok bio during live events. Open these links while you're already signed into your Roblox account so they route you correctly. Keep in mind that links can expire or fill up fast, and always only use links posted by the official creator to stay safe. You can also add them as a friend. Some smaller creators accept friend requests, especially during community streams. Visit their profile, tap add friend, and then wait. If they accept, you can join them from your friends list whenever they're in a public server. Be patient and respectful here. Sending multiple requests or spamming messages can reduce your chances. Next, joining a private or VIP server. Many creators play in VIP or reserved servers during events. To get in, you'll need either a valid invite link or explicit permission on that server. If you click a link and can't join, you might not be on the allow list yet, or the server is full. Make sure you're logged into the same account that received access. Finally, follow their group or community spaces. Creators often announce fan games, stream schedules, join events, and fresh server links through their Roblox group, YouTube updates, Discord announcements, or TikTok posts. Checking these spots regularly keeps you ahead of the crowd and ready to click in as soon as a lobby opens. With these methods, you'll have the best chance to meet your favorite creators in-game, play respectfully, and have a great time.